Okay, welcome to another class on IELTS writing. Now, in the first class, I was talking a lot about number 3 on the board today, the conjunctive adverb. And I gave you a load of examples in the first class because there are loads of conjunctive adverbs. They might be 1, 2, 3, 4 words long. Yeah, they don't have to just be one word. But however, furthermore, nevertheless, therefore, moreover, all of these are conjunctive adverbs, and if you want examples of 2-word conjunctive adverbs, in summary, in conclusion, to be brief, I mean, all of these phrases function in exactly the same way as conjunctive adverbs. They don't function like coordinating conjunctions, which we call fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And they don't function like subordinating conjunctions, which are words like because, as, since, although, though, while, whereas. But these can also be 2 words long, provided that, or 3 words, on condition that. So don't think that they're just one word. Again, you can have even though is a subordinating conjunction. It's exactly the same as although or though, yeah? And so these guys are different from these guys. Why? Well, because they're punctuated differently and they actually function differently. What I mean is because is always at the front of an incomplete thought. It always comes before a clause, yeah? Always comes before a clause. So does as, so does since, so does although or though. Okay, there are a couple of exceptions, but I don't want to go into those at the moment. But generally speaking, you see these at the front of a whole clause. Yeah, because I was sick. Clause means a subject and a verb. I was. Sick is the complement. Because I was sick is an incomplete thought. Although I was sick is an incomplete thought. While I was sick is an incomplete thought. And so that's the first thing to notice about these guys. They start an incomplete thought, and secondly, they're always at the front. They're never somewhere else in the subordinate clause. They must be at the front. You can't say that about conjunctive adverbs. They're actually very mobile. So that means that you can get the conjunctive adverbs at the start of a main clause, but they don't have to be there. You can actually get a conjunctive adverb in the middle of a main clause. Let me give you an example, yeah, but I just want to show it like this on the board. You sometimes get the conjunctive adverb in the middle of a main clause, and when you do, you see it surrounded by commas, okay? So let me give you an example.